Shipping settings are an important part of Amazon merchant fulfillment setup in this video. I will be looking at the general shipping setting that our merchant needs to set, how to create and assign shipping templates, how fulfillment settings are set at this listing level, how to set up for Prime. It is worth noting that products which are fulfillment by Amazon do not require shipping setting as these are set by Amazon fulfillment by merchant shipping setting. Set the shipping addresses from which the products are shipped, general order fulfillment setting, which are days of operation and the cut-off time for shipping services. And you also see the default handling time. The settings are under setting, shipping setting, general shipping setting. Here we can see the default shipping address which can be edited. Also the order fulfillment setting. We can set the cutoff time for 1 day into the day delivery. You can also set whether your operating days are just during the week or you can also add the weekend order processing here. The default handling time is set. You can't actually edit the default handling time here, but you can edit the handling time at the product level. And also here we have detail on the premium shipping program to which you are enrolled. The shipping rates for product are set by assigning a shipping template to each product. They set the domestic shipping, the international shipping, if that is required, and also the services available. So for example, for domestic shipping, you could offer a standard service or also an expedited service. Shipping templates are either assigned at the product level or they can be uploaded in bulk by using the inventory upload. A file shipping template can be edited by going to setting, shipment setting, then shipping template. You can create up to 20 different shipping templates. We click on a template which has already been created here and then do is we can see how to edit a shipping template. Template is divided into domestic shipping option and international shipping option. The choice is whether to do it per item and then weight based, which is that is set up here. There is a price per order and then a price per kilo. Remembering that the shipping weight is set up also by the inventory load of file or you can do price bandit. As an example of price a template, you see the band goes from 0 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 and above. If I was change 30 to 40, that will add an extra band and you can set the shipping price here. Also for each zone there is a transit time that can set and you can select whether to ship to a street and PO post or not. PO post is sometimes can be difficult to ship to individually for domestic shipping and international shipping. You would set this zone and you would set the service and then set the price as we already discussed. So let us create a new delivery rule for the UK. We are going to set one here for the BFP, which is a British force posted overseas. It would come up with new zone here and we can choose the transit time and also the pricing for international delivery. It's a little bit different. If you click, we can go to the bottom here and add a new delivery and it will go out of the area which we already shipped to. So we can choose something here, for example, which is East Asia, which is Mongolia. Then add Mongolia to the list and we can then assign the transit time and also the pricing. If you want to add the expedite delivery to the international, it is the same. You need to add a delivery, all the zone and then the pricing. So how are shipping settings set at a listening level? If you want to, it is a product one by one. You need to go to the office tab to do this. Here you can set the shipping template and also the handling time for product. If you go to the manage inventory and then edit a product under the offer tab, you will able to edit the shipping template. Here you can select from a list and also the handling time for a product. Knowing that if you are selling through a unified European or North American account, you have same skill across multiple countries. The handling time will be the same for each product SKU. Self-help from farmer is Amazon program where the seller will fulfillment the order, but as it is fulfillment using the approved courier and under strict performance guideline, it can be prime eligible order on Amazon. Setting an SFP or self-help program is slightly different from other merchant fulfilled products. Product needs to be enrolled in self-fulfillment time by signing each product. A special seller for full-time shipping template, the setting for self-fulfillment prime can be seen under inventory. Here you can see a list of products that have been enrolled. You can see that they have here the shipping template, which is a self-help template and also the SKU which are not yet enrolled. And they can be enrolled by changing to a self-fulfillment prime template. So what makes a seller prime template special? If we select a shipping template and we edit it, that was a non-self-development template and we can click on the selling region automation. We can then set the shipping for the self prime and we can select the ship from location. you choose the carrier and the carrier you want to use. So here I am selecting Amazon shipping for mail and DVD, and when I offer a prime order comes through, Amazon will choose one of these carrier and to assign an order to. And here I am just reviewing the option which it says what carrier we're actually using for self-help and what the delivery time are. And here we can see on this shipping template we are now offering two prime enabled services and also our 2-day premium service which are prime eligible on this shipping template.